Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering down and unplugging the Xbox One, then wait 5 to 10 minutes so residual power dissipates. This prevents shorts. Once done, remove any external drives and place the console on a clean, static-free mat. You need Torx T8 and T10 drivers and a plastic pry tool. These let you access clips without scratching plastic. Make sure to organize screws in a tray as you go. Keeping parts labeled speeds reassembly and reduces risk of losing tiny components. You'll remove the outer shell next. Peel back rubber feet and remove the T8 screws hidden beneath, then take out visible T10 screws along the seams. After screws are out, use a plastic pry tool to work around clips. Gently lift the top cover to expose internals while watching ribbon cables. Once inside, identify the hard drive bracket and unscrew its mounts. Make sure you note SATA and power connector orientation before unplugging. That orientation matters for reinstallation and prevents connector damage. You now slide the hard drive out of its bracket, carefully disconnect SATA and power cables, and remove any mounting cage screws. Keep screws and the drive in an anti-static bag. Once removed, reverse the steps to reassemble. Reconnect ribbons, align clips, and tighten screws in the original positions. If the console doesn't boot after reassembly, make sure cables are fully seated and no screws are shorting contacts. If issues persist, temporarily reinstall the original drive to verify system function.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.